Hi, there, good morning. So today I'm doing a project where we're going to have to go and install some Ubiquiti equipment with one of our clients. We're going to be going to put up a bridge between the main building, and they have a silo, and we need to be able to be a bridge between the main building and that silo. So we're going to be putting in some networking equipment that will allow us to go and bridge across their yard. I've already come in this morning at 7:30. I've loaded up the van with all the equipment and all the kit. It's all been pre-configured and set up. So we'll get away shortly. Okay. Right. Okay. So so far what we've done is we've done some work. The silo, so that's over there. Let's do a bit of a zoom in. So what we've done is we've just put some cable over there where we're going to be putting one side of the bridge, and what we're then going to be doing is working on this side of the bridge, and we've got Jack here from JC Electrical. He's just getting the scissor lift ready so that we can then work on this side of the bridge. Okay, so we're at the data cabinet end, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be upgrading the network here. So we're putting in some Ubiquiti equipment up here, and in the future there's going to be another blade going in here. The cable from the outside is going to be coming into here into our switch over here. Okay, so what we need to do now is prep this cabinet up so that we can put in the new Ubiquiti equipment about the same time, leave enough room for the new blade server. So we're going to get set up and work on the cabinet now. Okay, so now we've got our path for where we're going to put our equipment. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to rack it all up. Okay, so I'm going to start off here with the switch, and I've already put the bracket arms on to the actual switch itself so that we can rack it up. Just tighten up those bolts now. Don't want to over tighten them. Then the idea, or hope, is that we're going to take our gateway, and we're going to locate that about there, which looks good. I think we can get away with that. So we look nice little gaps, so that we've got plenty of room. Okay, and there you go, already linked up, lights up, lovely, beautiful. Okay, so we're nearly there. What we need to do next is, what we're going to do as a temporary measure is that we're going to connect our USG to our existing network. We're going to plug everybody in. We're going to make sure this gets an internet connection first. And once we know this is getting an internet connection, then what we're going to do is we're going to reprogram that to dial out to the service provider, to the client service provider, and once that's done, we can then decommission all the existing equipment. Well, there's a day to remember. We've got the switch in, We got the USG installed, okay, and got it tested. We had a major problem trying to get the modem, which was a Xilex modem, working. We tried some Netgear modems we had in stock, tried to get those to do the trick, and they weren't having any of it. So we went back to the Xilex and I put it in bridging mode, which is not kind of what I wanted to do, but it's up and running. So we're back to where we are. We've got everything up and running. We can finish the programming off site now. We've also got the bridge installed, so we've got the bridge between the silo, the mills, and the main building. They got those installed, so we've got those installed and tested. The bridge is working fine. I've gone near their end and done some speed tests. So we've got the bridge working as well. So we've got the bridge installed, okay, and we've got the network upgraded. So for the moment, I'm going to head home, have a nice soaking bath, and we'll come back to this project at some point soon. Bye for now.